this video, we're going to talk about the while loop. So the while loop, if you're familiar with any kind of programming languages, what it does is it loops while you're doing something. So it basically evaluates each time it loops, and when it sees a condition that that matches, then it does something. So in this scenario, it's a very simple one. I set a variable, which is an integer, to 0, so it's a number, and then I would set it to loop. And I just execute a Python script here that all it does is it just adds 1 to the value. And then in the next action here, what I do is I actually just set that output of the Python to be that variable. So it kind of loops through again and again and again. If we look at the conditional branch here, it'll do it until the count, which is this. I set the variable count to at 0 here, but it'll keep looping until it gets to 10. So if we view the runs here, you can see that what I have here is I have 10 iterations. And if I drop down the iterations here and go to 10 and click on the set variable, scroll down a little bit, you'll see that that variable equaled 10. And that's exactly what the condition branch was looking for the count equals 10. Count doesn't equal 10. So if the count didn't equal 10, then it would keep looping. If it does equal 10, that's when it stops. So that's about it. Really quick and easy. It just keeps looping until it matches a condition.